FUE can restore your receding, balding or thinning hair. The possibility of men losing their hair, and how quick they'll recede, depends largely on their genes. In spite of the fact that there are other lifestyle factors that can have an influence, for example, stress, hormones and general well-being, yet if men in the generations above yours have lost their hair rashly and early, then it's a clear indication that it would affect you as well. Obviously not every person needs, or chooses to get a hair transplant, and there are a few lifestyle tips and a customized intake of medicines that may enable you to keep the hair you do have, for a bit longer time. However, you can't fight with your inbuilt genes. The majority of men inclined to either balding or receding hair will see that no amount of shampoo, massage on the scalp or healthy diet will offer any help. By and large, hair transplant surgeries have made some amazing progress over the decade, and there is currently a powerful, non-invasive choice that implies you can get your own head full of hair back again. What's more, since it's your own hair, it looks flawlessly natural, and the surgery has a 100% success rate. The FUE, follicular unit extraction, hair transplant technique is an incredible method for re-establishing hair on a bald head. The FUE hair transplant treatment includes extracting healthy hair follicles from the side and back of the head, one by one, and attaching them into the bald regions of the scalp. The follicles get transplanted into a similar space that had previous hair, thus offering it an excellent opportunity of settling in permanently. Unlike old techniques which included trimming entire strips of hair away at once, the most recent treatment, termed as the third generation of FUE, extracts one follicle at a time, which is then embedded one by one. This helps to achieve a significantly more normal outcome, a speedier healing and a less painful surgery process that leaves behind no visible scars at the back of the scalp. A healthy scalp will have around 3 to 4 strands growing in every follicle. A person whose hair is falling will have 3 or even just a single hair. Accordingly, by evaluating the quantity of strands growing from every follicle on the head, and the pattern followed by it, it's possible to check whether a patient is in the thinning stage, or will there be any hair loss in the future. Hair transplant treatment can also treat a receding hairline, a bald scalp or correct botched transplants and scars at the back of the scalp that occurred due to strip surgery, and it's additionally ideal for women who are losing their hair as well.